Welcome back to my channel, Devsek Hacker. Today I would like to discuss about content security policy part 2. So in today's video we will see about script source hashes option in content security policy. So recently one of my subscriber is requested me to do a video on script source hashes for content security policy. So today I'll try to walk you through what is script source hashes and how we can utilize it. So let's quickly go to hands-on demo without getting any delay. So if you can see here, I have written one Express.js server where I am sending one HTML file to the browser. So here I have used one meta tag like this where I am defining my content security policy. So in earlier video we have seen that how we can set content security policy in response header. Now we are seeing that we can also able to set this content security policy within HTML file. So there are two options. We can either set via response header or also we can set content security policy in the HTML itself. So now I have specified script source with my hashes. So what are these hashes? Suppose if you want to execute any inline script, then you have to specify that inline script hash here so that the browser only execute the inline script which matches with this hash value. So whenever you are sending any HTML file after defining this content security policy with script source hashes, then actually the browser will try to find out the hash value for the inline script by its own, and later it will check that hash value with the specified hash value within the HTML file. If both hashes are matched, then only it will execute that script in the browser. So in this way we can use this script source hashes. Let's run it and let's see how browser will behave. So let me run it csp.2.js. Let me access this page. See, before executing or before accessing it, see here I have specified two inline scripts, but here I have given only hash of the first inline script. I didn't give hash of the second inline script. So let's see whether it is executing both the inline scripts or is it executing only the script which matches this hashes. Oh, let me, okay, let's see the console. See, it is executing only first inline script. Why? Because um, whenever we are sending HTML to this browser, it will find out the hashes of the inline script. If the found out hash plus the defined hash in the HTML file, if both are matched, then only it executes. So in similar fashion, it will try to fetch this hash also, but this hash is not matched with this hash function. That is why it is not executing it. Okay, what if I change this like this? Hello, I'm adding some data to inline script. That means this hash value will be changed because I have added one more word. So if you find out the SHA-256 hash of it, then its value should be changed. But here I am placing only the previous hash, which is before this hello has to be added. So let's see whether how the browser will behave. If I refresh this page, see, it is not executing that inline script also, because I have tampered that inline script and it shouldn't match with this hash. That is why browser is denying to execute that. So in this way we can use this script source hashes to prevent any kind of user inputted malicious accesses, payloads and all. It will try to prevent us from script injections. This is for today guys. Thank you.